Paris Hilton also reflected on her fondest memory with friend Britney Spears amid the singer's battle to enter conservatorship. Paris Hilton, 40, would love to welcome friend Britney Spears, 39, on her new show Cooking with Paris. The socialite began sharing her go-to recipes via YouTube during the COVID-19 pandemic, which set the path for her latest project with Netflix. Given Britney's Southern Louisiana heritage and love of Southern cuisine, Paris already knows exactly what she'd want to cook up with the toxic singer. "I would love to have Britney Spears on. I think it would be so much fun just to cook Southern food together," Paris told HollywoodLife Exclusively on Wednesday, August 4th. "It would be a lot of fun to have her over and cook because we always used to have so much fun together," she added. Notably, Britney channeled her love of Cajun food into a short-lived restaurant project called NyLA, an acronym for New York and her home state of Louisiana. The 2002 eatery was short-lived, however, opening and closing all in under a year. The concept of the show revolves around Paris cooking with a fellow celebrity, socialite, who Paris recently co-starred in a throwback Juicy Couture campaign with, BFF, Kim Kardashian, or family members, sister Nikki Hilton and mom Kathy. Others making appearances include Demi Lovato, NyLA Pons, and comedian Nikki Glazer. Related gallery. Britney Spears, see sexiest photos of the singer. The Simple Life alum went on to share that Britney, who she's been friends with since the 2000s, is such a sweet angel as she remembered her fondest memory with the singer. Spending time with her and just being out in Malibu during the day with her son, she was such an amazing mother, and just to see how cute she was with him, she shared, making referencing to Britney's boys Sean Preston, 15, and Jaden James, 14. Britney and Paris iconically struck up a friendship in 2006, leading them to be photographed on a girls' night out with Lindsay Lohan, 35. Paris' bond with Brit was more than just going out, though, as the two would also spend one-on-one time together without the cameras. "We would go over to Cross Creek and just go to Planet Blue and go shopping. Just everywhere we went we always had a great time together. But I just loved our memories together in Malibu, especially because I love Malibu as well. It's my favorite place in LA," she shared. Like many of Britney's friends, Paris is supporting the Crossroads star as she seeks to end her ongoing conservatorship agreement, which has been in place for 13 years. "She deserves all the freedom and happiness in the world," Paris told HL.